Hi, Nicole Lee with Health, Beauty, and More. And I'm going to show you a few clips that I took from TV just for your information. It's about Hillary Clinton's health, and there is speculation going on. A lot of people are wondering what is really going on with her health, and is she fit to be even running for president? And this is a good question. And you'll see in one of the clips, I believe it's the last one, that somebody puts an item on her podium, and she's coughing, of course, in these clips. But I'm wondering if that item is an inhaler for asthma, or an EpiPen, or some kind of injection, or some kind of medication tool. And although the media has not brought that up, I thought I would point that out so you can see for yourself, and maybe you can come to some conclusion of what you think you're seeing there. Okay, we'll talk more later. Nicole Lee, Health, Beauty, and More. Don't forget to subscribe to me.
Something's going on there, folks. They were so dumb, they're just going to put her up there on TV. 62 days, they tell her everything's okay.
Well, you just heard the next vice president, didn't you?
You just heard the vice president. She's not the vice president yet.
In addition to thanking Marcia Fudge, so thank your great senatorship the ground.
They pause for a minute. We're not in any video, it's just a glitch. Now, understand, folks, they think you're stupid and they can just get this across the finish line, and then who knows what can happen then. Well, I'll tell you, Kane, who's behind her, who's just as nasty as she is, and just as owned by the globalists, is just sitting there hoping the courts, we can with Hillary, can get across that finish line. They are in a race with the devil, and I'm telling you, they're losing.
What's going on with that senator standing next to Hillary? Is he trying to help her, or looking for somebody to help her because she seems to be in discomfort?
And whenever people sit there and say something to her in the crowd, she looks like she's about to go crazy, and a doctor with an injector pen runs up next to her. The conservative review gives Senator Tim Kaine an F, or a 0 score, for liberty. But it's okay, because you're going to vote for the guy that wants open borders and bans on all rifles above 5 rounds in the magazine, and who supports the TPP, Gary, I love Hillary Johnson. Let's go ahead and go back to the coughing fits of Hitler.
Attraction to dictators, including Putin.
Did you just see what I saw? That her bodyguard was passing something to her. Maybe it was to help her breathe better. I don't know. Could have been some medication of some sort. But I'm sure you saw that.
She gets worse and she has to stop. That's full videos up on Infowars.com. This is a whole other area I didn't even get into today. The White House over the weekend, Obama came out and officially said that he's going to take over the elections to protect us from the Russians. So don't worry about Obama and the globalist communist Chinese, basically run our government. The Russians that have the GDP of Italy, they now are running Trump, yours truly, everybody. She said that in her speech a few weeks ago on the alt-right, remember? Well, now, I guess Putin's causing those coughing fits as well. Now, they're going to have to bring in federal and international watchers and control everything with Jed Johnson because of the Russians. And then she went further, and again, I can't cancel this little speech, so later, I guess she had enough medication. She scurried back out for this quick clip as we go to break, where she talked about the conspiracy theorists. Here's that.
Are you concerned about conspiracy theories about your health and whether that will affect the election? And are you concerned separately about the tightening polls of Donald Trump?
I'm not concerned about the conspiracy theories. There are so many of them, I've lost track of them. And so I pay no attention to them. I've always thought this was going to be a close race. That's the history of modern.
So questioning a known liar who spent a year in a hospital, you know, you're not, again, she has a magic word, conspiracy theory.